Assalamu alaikum dear student, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Dear student, look, today our topic is Chapter 3 CBQ 2, Lecture number 14, HW Nong 8. Okay, let at first read the question. There are 37 boxes which contain 500 tickets of each box of cricket match. Now in our question, how many tickets are there? Now B number, if the price of each ticket is Taka 50, then how much money will be needed to buy the tickets of one box? C number, if the price of each ticket is Taka 5, then how much money will be needed to buy the tickets of 37 boxes? Look, at first I will solve question number A. Look, you see in the stem how many boxes? There are 37 boxes and one box contain 500 tickets. Okay? Now question, how many tickets are there? Look, in one box contains 500 tickets. Okay, therefore in 37 boxes contain more tickets. More tickets, that means multiplication. 500 into 37, multiply now. Look, 500 into 37. Look, 7 0 are 0, 7 0 are 0, 35 sir, 5 7 are 35. Put 0 below 0, then 3 0 are 0, 3 0 are 0 and 3 5 are 15, right here 15. Now adding 0, 0, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 1. Okay, that means 18,500 tickets, right here 18,500 tickets. This is the rough. Now write the answer. 18,500 tickets. Okay student, now I will solve B number. Please see the question. If the price of each ticket is Taka 50, that means the price of one ticket is 50 Taka, then how much money will be needed to buy the tickets of one box? Student, one box contain 500 tickets. Okay, right? One box contain 500 tickets. Now, right, the price of one ticket is, right, the price of one ticket, the price of one ticket is Taka 5. Okay? Therefore, the price of 500 tickets is more Taka, that means 500 into 5 equal to what? Taka. Look, now we know the shortcut multiplication. Look, how many zeros here? 2 zeros. So put at first 2 0. Now 5 5s are what number? 5 5s are 25. Right here 25. Okay. Therefore the price of 500 ticket is Taka what? 2500 Taka. Okay student, you understood? Look, you see the binary question. The price of one ticket is 50 taka for B number. Okay, students. So right here 50. Look, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So put here 3 zeros. Then 5 5s are 25. Okay. That means we have got that the price of 500 ticket is taka 25,000. Okay. Now write the answer. Answer 25,000 taka. Okay, student. Now I will solve question number C. Look. If the price of each ticket is taka 5, now the price of each ticket is 5 taka for C number. Then how much money will be needed to buy the tickets of 37 boxes? Then how much? Look, if the price of each ticket is taka 5, then how much money will be needed to buy the tickets of 37 boxes? Okay, student. Look, we have seen and we have solved already in A number. In 37 boxes contain 18,500 tickets. Okay, student. Right now, from A we have got what got in 37 boxes contain how many tickets? 18,500. Okay, in 37 boxes contain 18,500 tickets. Okay, student. Now right, the price of one ticket is the price of one ticket is taka how much? Taka 5. Okay, student. For C number, you see the price of one ticket is taka 5. Therefore, the price of 18,500 tickets is taka more. That means what? Multiplication. Right here, 18,500 into 5. Now we have to multiply. Look, the price of one ticket is taka 5. Therefore, the price of 18,500 ticket is more. That means what? Multiplication. Now we got 18,500 into 5. Right here, 18,500 into 5. Look, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0. Okay. Now 5 5s are 25. Put here 5 and you have 2 in your hand. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 2 equal to what? 42. That means you put here 2 and you have 4 in your hand. 5 ones are 5 plus 4, 9. Okay, student. Now, what do we have got? We have got 92,500 taka. Okay, student. Look, 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25. You put here 5 and you have 2 in your hand. 5 8s are 40 plus 2, 42. And you have 4 in your hand. 5 ones are 5 plus 4, 9. So you have got 92,500 taka. Right here, 92,500 taka. Now write the answer. 92,500 taka. Okay, student. I think you have understood today's topic. Now I would like to talk with you about SW. Look, SW is 8. You see the question. Rohima earns taka 125 daily by sewing. This is the stem. Now see the A number question. What is multiplication? You know what is multiplication? Multiplication is the short process of addition. Okay. B number. How much money does she earn in 5 days? Okay. How can you solve? You know, in 1 day she earns 125 taka. Therefore, in 5 days she earns 125 into 5. Okay. Then you multiply. Similarly, question C. How much money does she earn in 1 month? We know 1 month equal to what? 30 days. Okay. Then you have to write, in 1 day she earns 125 taka. Therefore, in 30 days she earns 125 into 30. Okay, student, like this way you have to solve. Dear student, no more today. Remember, you have to submit all of your SW on Saturday within 9 AM to 3 PM. Okay, student, and you back this SW copy on next Sunday, next Saturday. Okay, student, no more today. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.